Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here we want to do a presentation. The purpose is we want to make a presentation to tell you all about duha prayers. Before starting the presentation, I would like to introduce my group members. The first one is Arum Khairun Nisa, Gofir Ahmad, Rizky Robi, Muhammad Nasir, dan Alfian Muhammad Zidan. A. Understanding and time for duha prayers. Duha prayer is one of the sunnah prayers that are carried out at duha time or morning when the sun begins to rise approximately 7 cubits from sunrise to midday or duhur. The duha prayer is performed both at the beginning of the time and at the end of the time, and its implementation is not much different from the fardu prayers in general and is carried out at least 2 raka'ah. The ulama explain that the time for duha is 15 or 20 minutes after sunrise, or shuruk time until 15 minutes before it is time for the duhur prayers.
The time limit for the duha prayer starts from after sunrise to the height of the spare and ends before the time of zuhur. Duha time is when the sun has risen and its rays have made the air hot. Duha prayer is a dancing of physically staging, sustenance. Also, has benefits such as fardu prayer, which is meant to ask forgiveness of sins. To be able to feel to the benefits of the duha prayer, it is important to pay attention to the procedure for the duha and this prayer.
1. Duha prayer intention. Read the intention of praying duha. Usalli sunnatat duha rak'ataini lillahi ta'ala. 2. First rakaat. Takbiratul ihram is when the fingers are brought together and pressed forward and raise both hands with the fingertips parallel to the shoulder or earth while saying Allahu Akbar, and the eyes look toward prostration. Allahu Akbar meaning Allah is great. Bring both hands together with the right hand on top of the left hand. After the hands are in the position perfectly, continue reading iftitah.
Read Surat Al-Fatihah, don't forget it. If you forget, your prayer never be accepted. Read Surat of the Quran in the first 2 rak'ahs of prayer. After reading Surat Al-Fatihah, it is sunnah to read Surat Asy-Syams and read Surat Ad-Duha in the second rak'ah. For those who want to perform the duha prayer 4 rak'ah. In the next rak'ah after reading the letter Al-Fatihah, it is recommended to read the letter Al-Kafirun and the letter Al-Ikhlas in the second rak'ah.
6. Do ruku. After finishing reading the letter in the Quran, then proceed to ruku. 7. I'tidal. Then do i'tidal. I'tidal is getting up from ruku to stand straight by raising both hands parallel to the ear. 8. Do sujud. Then proceed with sujud. 9. Iftirashi, or sitting between two sujud. Then get up from sujud and say Allahu Akbar, and then sit between the 2 sujud. 10. Do sujud again. 11. Second rakaat. From the sujud position, then stand up straight while saying Allahu Akbar. The prayer are the same as the first rakaah. It's just that in the second rakaah there is no need to read the iftitah prayer. So, immediately, Al-Fatihah then continues reading the letter or verses in the Al-Quran.
Followed by ruku, i'tidal, sujud, sitting between sujud, and if it's 2 rakaat, then the final tashahud is continue. 12. Do final tashahud. After the second sujud, then do the final tahiyat by sitting the final tashahud. 13. Do salam. Then recite with the salam followed by turning the face to the right when saying the first salam and turning the face to the left when saying the second salam.
This is last from us. Thank you all for your attention. If we made a mistake, please forgive us. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.